away.
We also produce films with children across India's most remotest villages. Learn some basics of filmmaking.
As the plan came through, we came for the orientation, we were told about the whole trip. I think I was getting more excited than the kid.
आमच्या सिंधुदुर्गातील हा जो आमचा ठाकर समाज आहे तर आमच्या समाजाकडे एकूण 11 पारंपरिक लोककला आहेत आणि ह्या 11 पारंपरिक लोककलेमधल्या 3 महत्त्वाच्या लोककला म्हणजे चित्रकथी, कळसूत्री बाहुल्यांचा खेळ आणि चामड्यांच्या बाहुल्यांचा खेळ. ह्या 3 महत्त्वाच्या लोककला आम्ही आता त्याचं जतन व संवर्धन करण्याचं काम करतो आहोत.
Every morning at 6:30 a.m. we had a wake-up call, and the production meeting was a great way to interact with the group members and to sort out the script.
When I actually tried these activities, it didn't seem as hard as they showed to be. It was actually quite fun. It wasn't stressful at all. Rather, I felt relieved and accomplished that I've actually learned something new.
पूर्ण माझा हा परिसर जो आहे, माझ्या घराचा पूर्ण परिसर, त्याच्यामध्ये पर्यटन स्थळ म्हणून आणि ही कला जिवंत ठेवण्यासाठी मी पहिला सर्वप्रथम मी काय केला, 3 मे 2006 ला म्युझियमचं उद्घाटन केलं.
We collaborate with a lot of village kids.
The first time Shweta ma'am came with this presentation, quite interested because it talked about filmmaking that I never planned to do in my life. Actually, never even thought about doing. So this was a completely new experience and opportunity that I had. So I thought, why not just go try?
Usually we have older mentors with us on this trip. Having younger mentors means our ideas match, our thoughts match. So it was pretty easy to communicate with them.
आपने जो स्टोरी सोची और शूट की, अब हम उसे एडिट पे देखेंगे.
Ready?